All right, we now move on to speaking part 2. Describe an important thing you learned, not at school or college. It can be anything you learned from your mother, father, from society, from your sibling, or anyone like that. Yes.
I think life is full of learning. We learned it from the day when we birth and even do not stop when we die. I learned cooking from. I learned cooking when I am just free from my FS exams and lots of free time I have. I have to learn cooking from my sister because he is very good in cooking. I learned it on TV from cooking channels and on YouTube, and also see many recipes on TV programs. I also joined many WhatsApp group to improve my cooking skills. I think it was very important to learn cooking because now I am planning to go abroad for my higher studies. I think it was very good for me to learn cooking. I felt very happy and amazed after learned cooking.
All right, very good. After learning cooking,
After
it's much better and really good. It's regional now. You're speaking on your own. So keep it up like this. There were some minor mistakes, like you said, good in. We say good at. Then you said my sister and he is. So sister should be he, otherwise sister
She.
should be she. Otherwise, you can talk about brother. Okay, all right. So good. And one more thing, try to connect your ideas. Most of the sentences you made, they were simple sentences without connectivity. So try to connect them together, compound sentences, okay? Let's go on. Speaking part 3. What do children learn from their parents?
Parents are the first teacher of the children. Children learn from parents how to eat, how to walk, and how to talk with others. I think children must learn many things from their parents, like good manners and.
All right. Answer ko khatam karein. Try to finish it like good manners and so on. Okay, that's good. Very good. Keep it up. You're quite confident now, and this time it's much better. Excellent. Thank you.